welcome. Today let us have the class on chapter similarity. Already you have learned what are similar triangles, what are the criteria for the similar triangles to know whether the given triangles are similar or not. And also you have learned the basic proportionality theorem and the converse of it, that is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Today you are going to learn about some more theorems, and your theorem is the internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. Let me draw the figure and show you. Suppose this is triangle ABC. Okay. AD is the bisector of angle A. The internal bisector of an angle of a triangle. AD bisects angle A, we think. This divides the opposite side, means BC, internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. This angle containing the sides containing angle A are AB and DC, and AD divides BC in the ratio BD is to DC. So you have to prove that if AD bisects angle A, BD is to DC, or BD by DC equal to AB by AC. That is what the theorem. Okay. So what is given to you is AD is the bisector of angle A. AD is the bisector of angle A of triangle ABC. That is what is given to us. Let us take this one as angle 1, this as angle 2 for our better understanding. As AD is the bisector of angle A, angle A1 equal to 2. And you have to prove that the theorem is the internal bisector divides the ratio other side, this side, in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. That means BD by DC is equal to AB by AC. That is a theorem, and how to prove it, let us learn today. For that, produce BA to E such that AD parallel to C, such that AD parallel to C. Let me draw AD parallel to C. So produce BA to E such that AD is parallel to C. AD is parallel to C. Okay. So our construction step is draw CE parallel to DA. So BA, you have to produce BA to E such that DA is parallel to CE. So these two are parallel. Let us name this angle as angle 3. This one is angle 4 for better understanding. Okay. How to prove it? Let me explain you. Okay. Now, it is given to us that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because AD is the bisector of angle BAC. That is given to us. Okay. And we have drawn AD parallel to C. If AD is parallel to C, in triangle BCE, AD is parallel to C means BA by AE is equal to BD by DC. That is our basic proportionality theorem. We have already learned the basic proportionality theorem, that a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. That means if AD is parallel to C, AB by AE is equal to BD by DC. That is already proved. Now we have to prove that AB by AC equal to BD by DC. That means AB is to AE means AB is to AC we have to find. That means we have to show that AE is equal to AC. You see already angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is given. That is given because AD bisects. But AD is parallel to C, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and also angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4 because these two are parallel and they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal if the lines are parallel. And angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because they are interior alternate angles. Okay. So 1 is equal to 2 given to us. 2 is equal to 3 because they are interior alternate angles. 1 is equal to 4 because they are corresponding angles. That means, but these two are equal. That implies angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because 1 is equal to 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So in triangle ACE, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. That implies if two angles of a triangle are equal, their opposite sides are equal. So AE is equal to AC. AE is equal to AC. Okay. Now, already I told you, in triangle BCE, AD is parallel to CE. Therefore, AB by AE is equal to BD by DC. That is our basic proportionality theorem. Now we got in place of AE, AC we got. So AB by AC is equal to BD by DC because here AE is equal to AC we got now. So this is what we have to prove. BD by DC is equal to AB by AC, and that is proved. So the theorem is proved. So the internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite side internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. So theorem is proved. So if AD bisects angle A, AB by AC will be equal to BD by DC. The theorem is clear. And its converse of the theorem is, if AB by AC is equal to BD by DC, then if AD divides BC in the ratio of the sides containing the angle, we have to show that AD bisects angle A. That is our converse of this theorem that you are going to learn now. So your converse of the previous theorem is, if a line through one vertex of a triangle divides the opposite side in the ratio of the other two sides, then the line bisects the angle at the vertex. That is what? Same way, what is given to is, if a line through one vertex of a triangle, in the previous theorem it is given that is the bisector. Now that you have to prove. If this divides the opposite side in the ratio of the sides containing, that means AB by AC equal to BD by DC, that is given. What is given is, in this triangle, AB by AC is equal to BD by DC given. Then the line bisects the angle at the vertex. We have to prove that AD bisects angle A. AD bisects angle A. Okay? Just to converse, reverse of that. Same way we have to construct in the previous theorem what we have done. Same way. We have to produce BA to E such that AD is parallel to C. Okay, this is E. Same way, let us name it angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay. But here we don't know whether angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That we have to prove. So, by already you have learned that. Already we have done AD. Construction is draw AD parallel to C. And we have to produce BA up to E. Okay. And your proof is, in triangle BCE, AD is parallel to CE. We have drawn. So what, by basic proportionality theorem, AB by AE is equal to BD by DC. That is basic proportionality theorem. AB by AE equal to BD by DC. But here it is given that AB by AC is equal to BD by DC given. AB by AC is equal to BD by DC, that is given to us. See, here BD by DC. So BD by DC is equal to AB by AE. Here BD by DC equal to AB by AC. That means AB by AE is equal to AB by AC. What does it mean? AB numerators are same. That means AE is equal to AC. AE is equal to AC. If AE is equal to AC, angle 3 is equal to 4. That means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. If in a triangle two angles are equal, two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. Yes or no? In the previous theorem we have shown that angles are equal, so opposite sides are equal. Now these two sides are equal, so opposite angles are equal. These two are equal, we got. But we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Because these two are parallel, they are corresponding angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. And also angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because of interior alternate angles. But now you see, angle 1 is equal to angle 4, angle 2 is equal to angle 3 we got, and here already we got angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These two are equal, that means these two are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means AD bisects angle A. That is what? AD bisects A. That is what we have to prove, and it is proved. So this is the converse of the previous theorem. I hope this is clear to you. So by now you have learnt basic proportionality theorem and its converse, and the internal bisector of the angle of a triangle divides the other side in the ratio containing the angle, and its converse is this one. Okay. In the next class you are going to learn some more theorems. Thank you.